Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with the Fortnite. You got the error, Windows cannot access the specified device error. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Epic Games, click on the three dot icon next to Fortnite and select manage. Select install location and open the Fortnite game binaries folder, Win64 folder. Just need to scroll down and find the Fortnite logo files. You just need to right click on it one by one and select properties, select compatibility tab and uncheck all these options. Check marked over here and select apply and OK. Do the same for other Fortnite logo files. And after doing this, you just need to open the Fortnite client win64 shipping.exe file. Just double click on it and our problem has been solved guys. The game launched without having any problem. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.